Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Let's dive into our word of the day, which is aspect. It's a B2 level noun, and it means a part or feature of something. This is a really versatile word that you can use in so many different ways in your everyday conversations. Let's break it down. An aspect refers to one part of a situation, problem, or subject. For example, if you're planning a party, one important aspect could be the guest list. Another aspect might be the food. See how it highlights a specific feature or part of the whole. It's all about focusing on one piece of the puzzle. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like feature, element, and facet can be used in similar ways. For instance, you might say, one feature of the new phone is its amazing camera, or an interesting facet of the project is the use of artificial intelligence. Notice how these words can replace aspect without changing the meaning too much? It's always great to expand your vocabulary with words that share similar meanings. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Words like whole, entirety, or totality are good examples. For instance, instead of focusing on one aspect of a book, you might say, let's consider the entirety of the story. This shifts the focus from a single part to the whole thing, which is the opposite of what aspect does. So, how can you use aspect in your daily life? It's super handy in both casual and professional conversations. You might say, I really enjoy the creative aspect of my job, or let's discuss the financial aspect of the plan. It's a word that works perfectly when you need to break things down and talk about one specific part of a bigger idea. Here are a few more examples to keep it fresh in your mind. One aspect of learning a new language is practicing speaking every day. The most exciting aspect of the movie was the plot twist at the end. We need to focus on the safety aspect of the project to make sure everything runs smoothly. That wraps up today's word, aspect. To recap, it's a B2 level noun that means a part or feature of something. We explored its meaning, synonyms like feature and facet, antonyms like whole and entirety, and how you can use it in sentences to sound natural and confident. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we really appreciate it. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word aspect and share it as a comment. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and keep learning.